guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to talk about some of the vitamins and supplements that I take every day to stay healthy and to help my immune system and to deal with some health problems that I have. So before we start, a disclaimer: please do not take any vitamins or supplements just because somebody told you to, because I showed in this video. Always consult with your doctor before you take any kind of supplements, vitamins, medicine, whatever. The only reason why I'm showing you the things that I take is just to hopefully give you some inspiration to go and check. My cat is here. To go and check your health, go get your blood tested and see what vitamins you are lacking. Especially in the current world environment, it's really important to stay healthy and to support your immune system. So if this video can help you guys to get motivated to work on your health, I would be extremely happy. So just keep in mind that you always have to make sure that the supplements you're taking are good for you. And now that I've said that, let's get started. So I recently got my blood tested, and my doctor prescribed me a bazillion of things that I have to take. Some of them are just for general health, some of them are for my specific problems with my stomach and stuff, with digestion and things like that. So I wanted to show you everything that I take from morning till nighttime that helps me be more energized and just feel better overall. So the first vitamin that I take every single day is B12, and I take this first thing I do when I wake up before I eat. So vitamin B12 helps support your nervous system, and it helps to convert food into cellular energy, and it overall helps your body's blood and nerve cells. Vitamin B12 also helps you prevent any kind of blood conditions like anemia, and overall it's just a good supplement and vitamin to help your blood and nerve system. So I was prescribed this by my doctor, just like every single other thing that I take. So again, make sure you don't blindly take this. It is a fact that a lot of people have vitamin B12 deficiency, so maybe it is something that's worth looking into. So while I eat breakfast, I take vitamin D, vitamin D3. I was actually supposed to take bigger amount of milligrams in here. Mine is very small, and again, a lot of people have vitamin D deficiency. My vitamin D level is actually in the good range, but still you have to keep that up and take vitamin D as much as possible if your doctor tells you to. And vitamin D is good for your bones, for your teeth. It's just a general calcium source, so it's good to have and include in your diet if you lack vitamin D in your body, which a lot of people do because we don't get enough sun and things like that. So it is again worth looking into and seeing if maybe you also have vitamin D deficiency. So after I eat breakfast, the next thing that I take is this inositol, and it comes in powder format or also in tablets. I chose powder just because it's easier, and I already have so many vitamins that are in the pill form that it's good to substitute that with something else. So inositol was prescribed again by my doctor for me to decrease my insulin level. So my insulin level is a little bit high, and this is exactly for that. So it supports healthy membrane function. It also helps decrease the level of insulin, and it also says that it helps with metabolism. So I haven't noticed any difference as of now, but of course you have to usually check that by just getting your blood tested. You can't really feel anything, at least from the ones that I've talked about so far. But again, I encourage you guys to look into that because a lot of people don't eat so healthy, and you might have some problems with your blood sugar levels or your insulin levels. Next thing that I take every single day is vitamin C. This is an antioxidant and just generally helps your immune system. I feel like vitamin C is one of those vitamins that anybody can take, but again, consult with your doctor before you do anything. I definitely notice a lot of difference after I take vitamin C. I feel overall better, especially in the winter time when there's a lot of germs flying around and it's really easy to get sick. I always make sure to take vitamin C, and I take 500 milligrams, which is like a higher dose compared to what you may usually find. This is the vitamin that I did feel the difference after I started taking it, my overall immune system and how I feel is a lot better. I also used to take this when I would start feeling like I'm about to catch a cold, or if I'm about to get sick. I would drink a lot of vitamin C and drink lemon water, and I did feel better. So consult with your doctor and see if you also can take vitamin C, and hopefully it will help your immune system. Next up, the next vitamin that I take is collagen, and this is for your skin, for your hair, for your nails, and I take 6,000 milligrams, and this actually you have to take 6 tablets per day, which is crazy, and the tablets themselves are also humongous, but that's the daily serving size, so that's just what it is. So again, I was prescribed by my doctor to take collagen, but collagen is generally there to help your skin, to help your bones, to help your nails, to help your hair. And with age, you get less and less amount of collagen in your body, and it's a lot harder to get that naturally as you get older. So collagen supplements are what helps us to kind of substitute that lack of natural collagen. After I finish this, I think I will change to the gel. It's kind of like a jello collagen type, because again, as I said, I take so many pills that is just a little bit unpleasant. Next vitamin that I take is omega-3, and I take this twice while I eat my dinner. So this is my evening routine. And omega-3 helps your heart. It also helps to lower the blood pressure and any kind of heart diseases that may happen. So it says here that it helps with your brain health as well. So there's a lot of benefits to omega-3. It also says here that it may be able to help your mood and cognition and immunity. So it just seems like a very, very good thing to take. Taking everything that I take, overall, I do feel a lot more energized and less fatigue, because before I started taking all of these vitamins, I would just be so unmotivated and I would feel super fatigued. Now I have a lot more energy to actually do stuff, which is a good thing. So if you also struggle with fatigue and general just sluggishness, maybe it's worth talking about this with your doctor as well to see if there are any vitamins that could help you. Next thing I want to talk about is magnesium, and this is the one thing that I take that drastically changed my health and my overall being. So magnesium is there to help muscle relaxation, nerve, heart, and bone health. And I take this at night. I think you have to take this at night before you go to bed, or like in the evening time. And magnesium really helped me become a lot less stressed and just overall kind of leveled my mood. Because before I took magnesium, I would always have like this nervous feeling. I would always feel stressed, especially if now I have a lot of stress in my life. So after I started taking magnesium, immediately I would feel the difference, that I'm a lot more calm, I'm a lot more relaxed and reserved, and I don't get a lot of mood swings. And another benefit of this that I felt is that I don't crave sugar and chocolate as much. Normally I would eat at least 2 chocolates a day, and I'm talking about like substantial chocolates, not just like one piece of chocolate. I would just crave chocolate all the time. But now that I've taken magnesium, I really noticed that I don't crave it as much, which is a great thing. So definitely consider this as well. Talk to your doctor and see if it's good for you. But I think that out of everything that I'm taking, this is the one thing that really made a big difference. Now the rest of the vitamins that I want to talk about is something that I don't take as of now, or that I'm taking a break off, or that I'm about to start. So first is vitamin E. Vitamin E has antioxidant properties. It helps with health of your blood, brain, and skin, and it's important to vision and reproduction. So I'm not currently taking this just because I have so many other things to take, and vitamin E is not on the top of the list, but I will continue to take this maybe a few months later. I did take this before. And the last thing that I was prescribed by my doctor that I haven't started taking yet is the Vitex fruit. So this is like an herb. So this is generally for female health. Again, please consult with your doctor. Don't take anything just because I said that. But I haven't started taking this yet. I will start probably within the next few weeks and see if that helps. This is known to be a good supplement for female health specifically. I haven't started taking it yet, so I really don't know if it's good or not. And another thing that I always take is, which is in my fridge, is probiotics, and that's just to help your digestion and overall microflora of your body. Probiotics are just generally good for your stomach health, but again, discuss that with your doctor before before you include anything in your diet, because again, everybody's health is different, everybody's body is different, so something that may work for me may not work for you. And always please research and learn about something before you start taking it blindly. I strongly encourage you guys to do that. And I also wanted to show you this vitamin tracker that I have created to help me keep track of everything that I take. So I just write down the list of the vitamins that I have to take and when I have to take them, and then I have the week from Monday to Sunday, and after I take it, I just check it off the list so that I know what I have taken and what not, because when you have such a huge list of things to take, it can be confusing. So I did actually create an Etsy shop for printables. So if you want to purchase this, it's just $1.50 on Etsy. So if you also need such a tracker to help you keep things organized, then I will leave the link for my Etsy shop and this particular printable so that you can also get it for yourself. So yeah, these are all of the vitamins and supplements that I take. So the whole moral of this video was to just encourage you guys to check your health and focus more on your well-being, because now we have so much stress, we worry so much, and a lot of people struggle with many different things. So if we can do even a little bit to make us feel better and help our body overcome all of the crazy stuff that's going on, then that's something that we should focus on. So I hope that this video was helpful and maybe inspired you to work on your health a little bit more. And thank you so much for watching. As always, I hope to see you guys in my next video, and yeah, have a good day. Bye bye.